students, today will be discussed about the computer subject information technology code 402 and their part B and their unit number 1. The title of unit number 1, introduction to IT and IT's industry. Today discuss an explanation of the some important MCQs related to these chapters. Now let us start. Question number 1. Question number 1. ICT stands for. Question number 1. ICT stands for. It means the full form of ICT. Their option A, information communication, B, information and communication terminology, C, information and common technology, and D, information to communication technology. And their answer, right answer of this question A, information and communication technology is the right answer of this question. And again, right answer A. Now next question, question number 2. IT stands for. What is the full form of IT? Their options A, information technology enabled services, and second B, information technology and services, information technology enabled server, and D option none of the above. So the right answer also A, information technology enabled services. So the right answer A of right answer of this question A. Next question, question number 3. Information technology or IT means creating, managing, storing and exchanging information. स्टेटमेंट्स यहाँ पर है. इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी का मतलब होता है क्रिएटिंग, बनाना, निर्माण करना, उसको मैनेज प्रबंध करना, स्टोर करना और एक्सचेंजिंग करना इंफॉर्मेशन को. ये इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी का वर्क है या नहीं. इट मीन्स इसको फाइंड करना है ट्रू और फॉल्स ऑप्शन में. तो राइट ऑप्शन में सेलेक्ट करना है कि कौन सा राइट आंसर होगा, क्योंकि ऑल्सो इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी creating, managing, storing and exchanging the information each other and other messages related to the communication skills. So the right answer of this question is true. It means A. Right answer A. And next question, question number 4. Computer takes data as process it and produce the result as. fill in the blanks के रूप में है. कंप्यूटर टेक्स डाटा. जो कंप्यूटर है वो डाटा को देता है एज किसके रूप में. इट मीन्स हो गया यूनिट. देयर आर द 4 यूनिट ऑफ द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम: इनपुट, प्रोसेसिंग, आउटपुट एंड स्टोरेज यूनिट. सो द take data by the as the input unit, processes it after enter the data, process it, the process it work of the by the processing unit and produce the result by the unit output unit. So the right answer of this question: A output input, B input output, and C both of above, and D none of these. So the right answer is B. B is the right answer of this question. Right answer B. Now next question. Question number 5. Raw facts and figures is called. Raw facts and figure is called. Guess these questions. Their option: A information, B process data, and C data, and D option none of these. Right answer of data, because data is the raw facts and figures, because it entered as a input. So it is called the raw facts and figure is called the data. The right answer of this question: C data. And now next question number 6. Result of data processing is called. Result of data processing is called. डाटा प्रोसेसिंग का रिजल्ट होता है वो क्या होता है? प्रोसेसिंग, दैट इज डाटा, रॉ डाटा, इंफॉर्मेशन, नन ऑफ द अबव. आफ्टर प्रोसेस डाटा डिस्प्ले as the result is called the information, and information go to the output unit like the monitors, printers. So it is called the process data. After process data is called the information. Right answer C information. And again question number 7. Which of the following are benefits of IT in business? इसमें कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, इसमें से कौन सा बेनिफिशियल्स है फॉर आईटी के लिए. आईटी जो बिजनेस में आईटी के जो बेनिफिट्स हैं उसमें से कौन से बेनिफिट्स हैं. फर्स्ट है ऑप्शन आईटी हेल्प्स इन रीचिंग मोर पोटेंशियल कस्टमर्स. IT provides better services to customers. Both of the above. Right answer of the C, and D option is the also D option is none of these. None of these. So write the answer C, both of the above. Now question number 8. IT is also called dash that cover the entire operations which exploit information technology for improving the efficiency of an organization. Web enabled services, remote services, or C both. So right answer is the, and D none of these. Right answer of the C, both of the above. Answer 8 also answer number C. C. And again question number 9. Information technology that enables the business by improving the quality of services. क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्विसेज को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए ऑप्शन ए आईटी मीन्स इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, बी आईसीटी इंफॉर्मेशन कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, एंड सी आईटीज इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एम्बेडेड enabled services, and D none of these. The right answer of this question C ITs. C is the right answer of these questions. And next question, question number 10. BPO stands for option A business process out, B busy process outsourcing, C business process office, and D business process outsourcing. So the right answer is BPO, full form business process outsourcing. D option is the right answer. And again question number 11, BPM stands for their options A business process manager, B business process management, C business protocol management, and D none of the above. The right answer is the business process management, the full form of the BPM. Right answer B. And again question number 12. BPO service industry is doing exceptionally well in India because their options: BPO service providers in India invest in high-tech hardware and software, B government of India in encouraging the BPO industry in India, and C both of the above, and D option none of these. None of these. So the right answer of these questions, right answer C. And again question number 13, MNC stands for, the full form of MNC, multiple national companies, multiple national company, and B multinational companies, and C multinational credit, and D none of the above. So right answer is B multinational companies. Right answer of these questions, multinational companies. And again B right is the right answer of this question. Now next question, question number 14. MNCs have their headquarters in India. MNC headquarters India, outside, inside, none of the above. So the right answer is A. A is the right answer of this question. And next question, question number 15. IT is used in home to dash play games, surf the web, email, all of the above. Because IT it is used for in home, play games also, right? Surf the web, also right. And email, also right. So the D option, all of the above, is the right answer of this question. D option is the right answer of this question. And the next question number 16. A PC should have to play CD. PC, full form of the PC, personal computer, should have to play CD. प्ले CD किस में करते हैं? CD को हम लोग प्ले करने के लिए कौन सी ड्राइव का यूज़ करते हैं? ऑप्शन ए CD-ROM ड्राइव, साउंड कार्ड, स्पीकर्स, all of the above. So right answer is D. D is the, क्योंकि CD को प्ले करने के लिए CD-ROM भी होनी चाहिए, साउंड कार्ड भी होना चाहिए, स्पीकर्स भी मस्त होता है. सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ द ऑल ऑफ द अबव, डी ऑप्शन. D option is the right answer. Question number 17. Example of products which have embedded software is are. जो प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं एम्बेडेड सॉफ्टवेयर्स में, इसमें वॉशिंग मशीन, माइक्रोवेव एंड रेफ्रिजरेटर, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. इट इज ऑल्सो द एम्बेडेड सॉफ्टवेयर. कि IT sectors is information technology, embedded services. So the washing machine, microwave, refrigerator, all of the above is the embedded software. Right answer D. Right answer of this question D. And again question number 18. We can store in our computer. हम अपने स्टोर में, अपने कंप्यूटर में क्या स्टोर करते हैं? अपॉइंटमेंट, शेड्यूल्स, राइट. एंड अगेन B, लिस्ट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट, इट इज़ राइट. एंड C, इम्पोर्टेंट फाइल, इट इज़ राइट. D option, all of the above. Its answer is also D option, all of the above. So the right answer of this question is D, all of the above. And next question, barcode on a book makes it easier for the library. Barcode, it is the short form of the BCR, barcode reader. By the help of the barcode reader, read the barcode of the any books. कि बुक्स को ईजियर बनाती है, लाइब्रेरी में जो बुक्स होती हैं, वार कोड से हम वार कोड रीडर की हेल्प से BCR के द्वारा उसको हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. तो ऑप्शंस ए, टू कीप ट्रैक ऑफ बुक्स, टू चेक अवेलेबिलिटी स्पेसिफिक बुक्स, एंड C, बोथ ऑफ द अबव. क्योंकि हम इसको बुक्स को ट्रैक करने के लिए भी हेल्प होती है और चेक करने के लिए इसको स्पेसिफिक बुक की अवेलेबिलिटी क्या है वो भी फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. तो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन C ऑप्शन. C इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. आंसर C. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन द लास्ट क्वेश्चन of the MCQs for today. Question number 20. Computers are used to perform office work more effectively. हमको फाइंड करना है, स्टेटमेंट्स को फाइंड करना है, इसमें कौन सा राइट ऑप्शंस होगा. कंप्यूटर्स में जो ऑफिस वर्क होता है वो मोर इफेक्टिव होता है कंप्यूटर का प्रयोग करने के लिए. इट्स द राइट आंसर A, true, B, false. So the right answer of this question is A, true. Right answer is A, true of. So that today's your work complete. So close the video, and remaining part of this topics that to discuss tomorrow. Now, thanks. Have a good day.